If there were ever a day to pull out all the stops, it's your wedding day. As far as we're concerned, your wedding is the celebration of the century. So let's take a look at 5 venues that take things to the next level. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on more wedding tips and tricks from us here at Bridebook HQ. Now let's take a look at some truly luxurious venues. Rise Hall in Yorkshire is one of the most luxurious venues out there. Nestled in the Yorkshire countryside, Rise Hall is a stately home with over 30 acres of private land, award-winning food and an incredible atmosphere. Imagine guests pulling up to this grand mansion and being wowed by its imposing facade. If you want to set the tone for luxury from the start, give a little thought to your venue's exterior. It's the very first thing your guests will see, so go for a venue with instant impact. Plus, with 31 gorgeous bedrooms, Rise Hall is the perfect place for couples thinking about hosting a wedding staycation for their nearest and dearest. We love the trend for multi-day celebrations, so if that's your thing, find a venue where you can keep the party going all weekend and host your guests in style. Another venue perfect for couples taking things up a notch is the Balmoral Hotel in Edinburgh. This Edinburgh landmark is perfect for couples looking for a city centre venue that pulls out all the stops, with room for up to 250 guests, a ballroom, and even a dance floor. Plus, the Balmoral Hotel's dedicated wedding coordinator can take care of every last detail, so you and your other half can really relax. Looking for these little extras is the perfect way to give yourselves and your guests a taste of real luxury. For those looking to get married in a capital city a little further south, 116 Pall is a fantastic place to start. Located in the heart of London's West End, this Grade 1 listed venue offers couples an unbeatable experience. 116 Pall can host up to 250 seated guests, or if you're really planning on the celebration of the century, you could have up to 1,000 spread throughout the venue. This venue is the ultimate for London-based luxury, with a dramatic staircase, magnificent 15-foot chandelier, and fantastic gardens. Another London venue we love for couples looking for luxury is the Hurlingham Club. This stunning private members club is surrounded by 42 acres of private landscaped grounds, perfect for couples looking to bring a little bit of the countryside into the city. We absolutely love the Palm Court and Orangery, a magnificent glass-roofed auditorium with room for up to 200 guests. At the Hurlingham Club, we love how its light open spaces open up through a huge glass door onto its gorgeous grounds, letting guests easily move in and outside as they wish. Last, but by no means least, and certainly still luxury, is Citation Weddings. Located in the heart of Glasgow's merchant city, Citation Weddings is a sure way to a celebration that brings real elegance, grandeur, and atmosphere. For us, a luxury wedding is all about the details, and from its imposing exterior to its impeccable interiors, Citation Weddings takes care of everything, big and small. And that's a wrap! From London to Glasgow, those are some of our top picks for couples looking for a little luxury. Check out the description below to find out more about any of the venues featured in this video, or download the Bridebook app to start searching more luxury wedding venues. With the best and biggest venue directory in the UK, Bridebook is the easiest way to find the perfect location for your big day.